This is my decision tree project. As you can see on the code, we have code to draw the Bitmoji, the hair, face, eyes, and then we put all of them together to make the Bitmoji also controls the size. This Bitmoji is used to pop up at the end for a final decision. Um, and that Bitmoji is placed in another function which draws the Bitmoji and text that says Anthony recommends you listen to whatever the decision is, it, what music, and it takes in the parameters of music of decision. Right now, the decision is set under quotation marks, so um, whatever the decision is just plugs right into these uh, into this. It's just a placeholder. At the same time, we have a variable called question number that starts at 1. It's to track what questions we're at. The next functions are the questions that are asked. Right now, the first question is, are you older than 10, with a yes or no option? And there's 7 of these questions that depend on the decisions of the whoever's taking the test. Next, we have functions, if and else if functions um, that display the question and whether or not the user clicks on the yes or no area. It also changes the question number variable to 2 to track what question we're at. Um, and the conditions, not only does it check for the yes or no option if the user clicked on it, but also if the question number is equal um, to uh, its respective question. So if the question number is 0, then the the program stops and displays the decision. As you see here, the program uh, reached a decision, which is classical music, and changes the number to 0. Okay. Next, we have a print decision function. It's an if statement. If the question number equals 0, then you print the Bitmoji with the decision. And it's going to take the decision from the previous function. So if we reach this decision right here, it will return pop, place it right into Bitmoji, and then print out the Bitmoji. And this is really where the actual um, this decision tree is printed. As you can see, we print the first question right here, 0, 0, and underneath we have a mouse clicked function to check um, where the user clicks on the mouse. So I can click yes here. Are you a musician? Yes. So that this is the first option, the second option, third option. Now it skips all of these because now it's equal to 0. The third option, and it just goes straight to print decision and recommends that we listen to jazz music. You can do this with any options, so it goes all the way up and down to here, pop music. And that's the whole project.